And the Guam Board of Medical Examiners can be considered as the island's first line of defense to ensure chronically disciplined doctors aren't licensed to practice medicine here on Guam. In order for a physician to get a license to practice medicine on Guam, the individual must meet specific criteria. Aside from completing an accredited medical school and residency program and passing a licensing exam, a doctor must also provide a report from the National Practitioners Data Bank that serves as a source of additional information on a physician's background. GBME Chairperson Dr. Joan Gill.
We review any report from the physician and the National Practitioner Data Bank, and we look to see if there was any negligence or pattern of negligence on the physician's part. If there is, we look if there's been any steps to remedy the problem, such as being asked to go for more training, have a mentorship, and if they've done so and satisfactorily completed that, we look at that as evidence that the problem has been corrected.
The board can choose to license a physician, deny a license, or put the doctor on probation and have them monitored for a certain period of time. Accessing information on your practitioner, though, isn't as easy as it is in the States, where most medical licensure boards have websites with the information readily available at your fingertip. It's something the board, though, is hoping to implement in the future on Guam.
Our records are public information. One of our goals this year, it has been for several years, we are asking for funding to have a website so the public will have information about where a physician's been trained, and we'll also have disciplinary actions and any steps that were taken.
The recent medical malpractice case against GMH orthopedic surgeon Dr. Glenn Cunningham has raised some concerns. As we reported, the physician had been disciplined for repeated negligent acts related to a surgery he performed in California, resulting in him being placed on probation for several years and having to undergo additional training. He was also disciplined in the state of Iowa related to the California action. A superior court in California also imposed a $75,000 judgment against him relative to a medical arbitration citation. Now, Dr. Gill says the board was made aware of Cunningham's past when he applied for a license several years ago, but she defended the board's decision, saying many doctors, especially those with surgical specialties, are often sued, but the board reviews each claim and any disciplinary action imposed on the physician.
We don't accept anybody. You have to have an active, valid license in another state already. So we're not taking somebody who can't practice anywhere else. We want to promote and help in the recruitment and retention of physicians, but like you said, we are the first line of defense, so we must really be careful about credentials, and if there has been disciplinary action, to make sure as much as possible that the person has gone through retraining and has done what has been requested.
Now, when the board learns of a medical malpractice settlement or if a complaint comes to the board, the matter is taken up by the disciplinary subcommittee that will review the records, and they may also seek a peer review of the case to see if there was a violation of the Practice Act. In the case of Dr. Cunningham, the board is expected to have the disciplinary subcommittee review the matter involving Logan Fain, whose leg had to be amputated after a surgical procedure was conducted at the Guam Memorial Hospital.